Welcome to the Colorlight course. In this video, we will introduce you to how to use LEDVision for video playback. Once you have correctly set up your screen parameters, we can proceed with the program playback operations. Here, we need to connect all the devices, as shown in the diagram. On a Windows operating system, press Win-P to open the display extension window. Next, open LEDVision. You will see a preview window appear in the top left corner. The preview window is used to monitor the programs being played on the screen. Then, navigate to Control and select Screen Size and Count Settings. On this page, you can set the number of playback windows in the top left corner and adjust the position and size of each window on the right side. Suppose we need to set up one new 1920 by 1080 screen and want to place the playback on the computer's extended screen. First, we need to change the screen count to 1. You will see a window appear in the top left of the screen, which will be used to play the program. Step 2. On the right side of this interface, set the starting position and resolution size of the screen. Click Apply, and then close the window. You will now see the newly set tricolor ball wallpaper covering the entire extended desktop screen. Step 3. Right-click on LED1 in the left position and select Create Program Page, either Normal Page or Global Page. Then, right-click on Normal Page and choose Create Program Window, such as File Window, Text Window, Web Window, etc. Our software supports playing multiple windows simultaneously within a single program, which means you can divide the screen into many areas and play different videos in each area. Step 4. Click on the program window to set the size, position, color, and layer priority of each program window. Step 5. Right-click on the file window and choose to add different video materials. If the program window is for text, you can add a line of text and edit it. If the program window is for a website, you can enter the website URL. Step 6. Once all the above operations are completed, click the play button at the top. This completes the video operation in LEDVision. After the video playback is finished, if you want to keep all the programs, you can click File in the top left corner and select Save to save all the operations you have performed. That concludes the LEDVision video playback operations. See you next time.